Hello there, and welcome to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Today I've got the 2003 Aprilia Tuono. Yeah, fantastic looking bike, isn't it? But before we get stuck into any details, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. So let's get going. 2003 Aprilia Tuono, 1000cc, beautiful looking bike, really well cared for. Currently showing 15,020 miles on the clock. Was serviced at Aprilia, a main dealer, in February this year at 13,419 miles. I think it's got 8 service stamps in the book, and I think I've got all the keys, etc. Looks like it's had some recent pilot roads fitted on the front and rear. It's obviously got the Akrapovik exhaust on there, which is nice. A really well looked after bike, actually, to be fair, for its age. It's what, 19 years old? But yeah, just getting in there with the rear shock and critical areas like that, just really clean, tidy. You've got some crash bobbins on the side here. All the tin work, all the petrol tank, the rear cowl, what have you, all paint's really nice. Just got the wide Aprilia gold bars on there. A few reservoir caps in the red to match. Looks nice, well presented bike. A nice litre twin. But yeah, plenty of meat left on these tyres. Like I say, pilot roads fitted there. Nice double bubble screen. And this side's equally as nice. Chain sprockets don't look that old. It's got some paddock stand bobbins at the back there. Carbon look rear hugger. All very nice and clean, very neat, very tidy. I've got the owner's manual, service book, etc. Bike is HPI clear. I'll do a quick start up for you. Yeah, 15,020 miles. Sounds lovely, sounds really nice, nice deep throaty for a twin. So yeah, like I say, I've got the 2003 Aprilia Tuono in front of me, 15,000 mile, last serviced at a main dealer via Motor in Sheffield, about 1,500 miles ago, if not a little less. We will supply this bike with a full MOT, a 3-month warranty, and it will go through the workshop prior to coming out for a full check over. We can offer finance on this vehicle, and we can offer nationwide or international delivery if required. For any questions at all with regards to any of the services we can provide, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrismotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, as always, if you want to come and look at the bike in person, more than welcome. Always give me a call before you set off to look at anything specific, just so that I can inform you whether or not it's still available or not. Right, so I'm going to sign off. But before I do, and before you do, smash that like button and subscribe, folks. And like I said, I've got a lot more bikes coming in, a lot more nice stock arriving daily. And I'll try and get these videos out as fast as I can for you. And yeah, give us a call. But yeah, I'm out of here. Enjoy the video, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.